The streets are silent. This peace and quiet will feed the revolution. The moon's silent shadows have evaporated, and a weighted stillness falls between the houses to brighten another day. Sheltering inside, counting many blessings, we hold our breath, waiting to exhale. Even amidst this pandemic, sleeping, waking up, cooking, walking, talking, moving around seem to be normal, and yet, in silence we wait in mystic wonder. In solitude we gaze into the depths of this sacred moment. In stillness we tumble into love with the world one more time. Nature speaks to us constantly. Now is a great time to listen. Now and always. The winds are blowing the trees, speaking quietly. Know you need your neighbor. The rivers are clean. The oceans are bright. The skies are clear once again. Trees are like anchors with roots ever so deep that weather and bend in life's storms. Learn from the trees, go deep under the surface for stability, growth, and flourish. You are not inside of yourself. You are everything and everyone. To plant a hopeful seed for each who has lost hope will mean that soon there will be a garden that belongs to no one but offers its harvest to everyone. Back to Eden we go. A level of relief to have permission to just exist for a moment. No need to incessantly produce or consume. Just to breathe and to wait and see. Trust, trust, trust. Renewed appreciation of our beautiful planet. Waking up to a deeper understanding of Source. The day the earth stood still, we stood still and woke up.